Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to upload YouTube videos using Chrome. It's a straightforward process that starts right in your browser. First, ensure you are signed into your YouTube account. Then, locate and click the Create icon, which resembles a camera with a plus sign, usually found in the top right corner. From the options, select Upload Video. You can then easily drag and drop your video file directly into the upload window, or click the button to select a file from your computer. This immediately starts the upload. Once your video begins uploading, you'll need to add some crucial details. Start by crafting a compelling title, keeping it concise and informative. Follow this with a detailed description, which helps viewers and search engines understand your content. Next, select an eye-catching thumbnail. You can choose from automatically generated options or upload your own custom image. Remember to specify if your video is made for kids, which is important for compliance. Finally, consider adding your video to a relevant playlist to help viewers discover more of your content. To maximize your video's reach and engagement, take advantage of optimization features. Add relevant tags that describe your content, helping viewers find your video through search. Providing subtitles or closed captions is also highly recommended, as it makes your content accessible to a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments or who prefer to watch without sound. You can also add interactive elements like end screens and cards to encourage viewers to watch more of your content or explore related videos. The final step is to decide on your video's visibility and publishing schedule. You have three main options: public, unlisted, or private. Public means anyone can find and watch your video. Unlisted allows anyone with the direct link to view it, but it won't appear in search results. Private restricts access to only you and specific people you invite. You can also schedule your video to be published at a future date and time, ensuring it goes live when your audience is most active. Always review all settings before clicking publish or schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.